Let's be honest for a second. Are you suffering from AI fatigue yet? Since late 2024, every single company has been slapping an AI-powered sticker on everything. We have AI toothbrushes, AI water bottles, and AI toasters. It is overwhelming, and frankly, 90% of it is just marketing fluff that has zero value to your daily life. But hidden beneath this mountain of hype, there are a few pieces of hardware where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it is actually a utility. I am talking about gadgets that handle the boring, repetitive tasks you hate. Today, I am showing you the 5 AI gadgets that actually respect your time and earn their place on your desk in 2026. No toys, no vaporware, just efficiency. First up, let's talk about the meeting killer. If you attend Zoom calls, lectures, or client meetings, you know the pain of frantically taking notes and missing half of what was said. This is the PLAUD Note. It is a credit card-sized recorder that snaps onto the back of your phone, but it doesn't just record. It uses ChatGPT technology to summarize. I tested this during a chaotic 1-hour marketing brainstorming session. Usually, I spend 20 minutes afterwards cleaning up my notes. With this, I pressed a button and the app gave me a structured mind map and a to-do list instantly. If you are a project manager or a student, this thing is a lifesaver. Next, let's upgrade your home office. Most webcams are static. If you move, you are out of frame. You look unprofessional. The Insta360 Link is basically a tiny robot cameraman that sits on your monitor. It uses AI tracking to physically rotate and keep you in the center of the frame, even if you pace around the room while presenting. My favorite feature is the desk view mode. It corrects the perspective to show your physical documents on the desk perfectly. It is expensive, but it replaces a whole camera crew. Now, let's move to home maintenance. We are past the era of dumb robot vacuums that eat your phone charger and choke on socks. The Roborock SA Max V Ultra uses reactive AI. It basically has eyes. It uses cameras to identify and avoid hazards like shoes, wires, and yes, even pet waste. The real-time saving here isn't just the vacuuming. It is the fact that you don't have to pre-clean your floor before running it. It empties itself, washes its own mop, and refills its water. It is truly hands-off. Number 4 is a hidden gem for students and researchers. If you still deal with physical books, retyping quotes into your laptop is a massive waste of time. The Scanmarker Air looks like a highlighter, but it uses OCR AI. You simply slide it across the paper, and it types the text directly into your computer or phone. It works with Word, Google Docs, and Evernote. Once you get the rhythm right, it is about 30 times faster than typing manually. It even translates languages on the fly. Finally, let's talk about mental health. Productivity isn't just about speed, it's about avoiding burnout. The Birdfy smart feeder uses AI to identify over 6,000 species of birds. When a bird lands, it records a video, identifies the species, and sends a notification to your phone. It sounds simple, but getting a spontaneous notification that a cardinal is in your backyard provides a necessary mental break from your screen. It automates joy. So, is AI just a gimmick? Sometimes, but these 5 tools prove that when applied correctly, it can give you back hours of your life. I have listed all these gadgets in the description below, along with a detailed written review on my blog. Which one of these would save you the most time? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.